Okay, so let us begin. Okay, okay. So some some till here. I hope we have discussed enough that to lit a fire and to make a fire in existence, we need oxygen, we need fuel, we need heat. है ना? Your name is Shreyas. All right, sir. So I believe this still here. We have discussed a number of points, and now I should take this page ahead. Some fires cannot be put out with water. Okay. If water is sprayed onto an oil fire, if water is sprayed onto an oil fire, the oil will float to the top of the water and continue to burn. All right, this can be very dangerous because water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil with it and spreading the fire. Yes, and this condition has been often found in oceans when there is any leakage of any oil. A lot of damage is done to the marine life. Yes or no? Have you ever heard such news? है ना? So if we are, yeah, I'm giving a chance. Yes, if we are sprinkling the water and we are trying to put out the water, put out the fire of the oil water, oil fire, sorry. So I think this is not going to work. Yes, Ashmit, batao.
We have to put stand on.
Right. So we shall see how Rudra is asking them what is an oil fire. So anybody say Ashmit.
Wildfire is the fire which happens which takes place in oil.
Very lovely answer. This quite this quite obvious. Obviously, that's why it is oil fire, right? But where can we see such oil fires? Oil can also catch fire, which is very like interesting thing. So usually such incidents can be seen in industries, in heavy industries where a lot of diesel and like oil get into some they are prone to such fuels which, if not pondered or taken care carefully, catches fire. And once it is in fire, I think it will keep on burning, because then the ways to put out that fire off, if I'm saying put out that fire, it means itself it is means that we are trying to stop the fire. So if we are trying to put out that oil fire with water, it is going to infuriate the condition. Infuriate means it will increase the condition, because as the paragraph says, the water flows, the oil flows on water. Yes or no? Try to pour some drops of oil in a cup of water. Exactly, exactly. Both does not support each other, non-soluble. So oil keep floating and the fire will keep burning. Yes, right. So which is very dangerous. Yes. Correct. So let us take this chapter ahead. This can be water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil with it and spreading the fire. Fire should not be Water should not be used on fires caused by. Now have a look very strictly. It will increase your GK also. Water should also not be used on fires caused by electrical appliances. The person spraying water might receive an electric shock and be killed.
And next to connect our shop.
Yes. So it will be just like adding more fire to a fire, right? If it will be, the situation will be like that. If some person has caught fire from an electrical appliance, and in order to help that person with that electrical burning appliance, you are pouring water on it, you automatically will get injured, may die also. and that person will also not be saved.
Yes.
So one should be very very careful. If you have younger siblings, older people who are very weak to identify, though they know they, it might be in their awareness, but they are not, much prompt and alert because of their age. You need to take care of people around you. You need to make them aware also. Okay, so um, a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to fight an electrical fire. So you have seen a number of such extinguisher well kept in companies also, in big organizations also. Yes or no? You have seen in television also how big
Yes.
organization. Durgesh, sit properly away from the camera. You're very close. You're sleeping almost, huh? Very bad, very bad. So that's the reason they are very much careful, right? I would request all my students to put their mobile phones at a place, and then they should stay relaxed and alert. They can fold their arms also. Now let's move ahead. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires. What is the meaning of this line? Anybody? Anshika?
Ma'am, it is any place where fire, where fire got fire, then we use water, many water and this.
I'm rereading the line. You listen to it. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires. I'm just asking a simple meaning. What is the meaning of this? Try again. It means that if a place has caught fire, right, and the area is very vast, huge. So we will make efforts to control the fire. How? In free?
Yes, ma'am.
We will we will use equipments. We will seek support of Indian Defense, Indian Navy, Indian Army if required. If it's the oil fire in some Pacific Ocean, in some Indian Ocean, how? We'll row a boat. Even that is very costly, huh?
Yes.
So that is the reason it is written we spend millions, right or no? It needs a lot of surplus of money to put out a fire, okay? And we spend more. You still need example. Oh, yeah. And we spend more trying to find new ways. And we spend more. How? By trying to find new ways of preventing fires from happening and getting out of control. Both are different things. We spend more money on preventing from happening. आग ना लगे, इसके लिए भी हम पैसे खर्च करते हैं, और अगर लग गई तो ways of prevent and then getting out of control. If something is out of control, then also we will spend money to control it. So either ways our money is flowing from our pocket, and not a good amount but a huge amount, right? So on the whole we have learned rather well to control fire. So it said, in short, what should be done? We must be aware with ways how we can get control of a fire. If we know the ways, if yeah, yeah, if we know the ways, we can actually take care of ourselves and our close ones, maybe our friends, maybe our schoolmates, maybe our school, everyone who come in touch with us. We can tell them so that they can also make use from our tips and advice, and thereby they can save their lives. So on the whole we have awareness ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें इन सारे खर्चों से भी बचा सकती है. If we are that aware, so we will prevention के लिए हम उतना we will create a setup of that prevention, and that setup will definitely ask for money. That will not be done in free, right? So on the whole we have learned rather well to control fire and put it to good use in our everyday life long ago. Now I want somebody to read, so I guess Shruti can read.
Long ago, there were no firemen. When fire broke, long ago there were no fi- Long ago, there were no firemen. When fire broke out, everybody became a firefighter. People formed human chains, they still do if required, and passed buckets of water from a well or a pond to the blaze. Now, there are laws about binding construction about building construction which ensure that space is left between buildings to reduce the fire risk. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure observance of fire prevention norms. Bands of firefighting workers with special equipment known as fire bridges are there to put out fires. Firefighters are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They cut off electricity supply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control.
So, what all is happening in this one paragraph? Who will tell from online? Only two, Ankit and Yashmit, only are two soldiers guarding the borders of India. Remaining soldiers are taking lunch and they are maybe sleeping also. है ना? ऐसे तो हमारी हमारे soldiers हैं. Okay, another soldier has came running. No sir, I'm also here protecting my nation. हाँ आदित्य, आदित्य दुबे. Very less cameras are open. Wow, why do you not open your camera? I will break your teeth. Tell me the meaning of this paragraph. What do you do while switching off the camera? You people keep adjusting your hairs and keep looking into the mirror. Huh? Chalo, explain the para.
Ma'am, in this paragraph, the author is saying that uh, long ago, there were no firemen, and people of that area where a fire broke out, they make a chain and pass the water bucket, and from ponds to the house where fire broke out, they threw the water into it, and at last the fire gets stopped. And today also many in villages people try this process, and government also ensure that the buildings built were left some space between them that reduce the fire risk, and the firefighters are well equipped in the city.
All right, pause. So I think, in short, the paragraph speaks about that the modern construction of flats, of high-fi buildings, they have now modern facility of keeping this fire prevention. Any new building is made with such a design that the space can be maintained. The building should be equipped with fire extinguisher and other such arrangements like. And now in cities, people are having this facility of calling fire brigades also, and they are very highly skilled people. At at the prompt time, they take prompt action. They cut out all the electricity supply, and they begin from where the damage is done, or how can they save the survivors or the victims. So this all is explained, and that is how the chapter is progressing. I believe the chapter is quite easy if you go for a reading. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
आदित्य कुमार सिंह की इसकी कॉपी है मैम इसको अगर कोई उसके बगल पास में
All
रहता
right. So, Aditya, your copy of English is here in my hand. Do you know if any such person is? You may collect it post your UT2, or maybe in January. Okay, it will be in my locker.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. You can prepare for a UT without your copy, I believe. The PDFs are with you. No need to panic.
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है. तो remaining chapter you all can read. It is not that tough. Yes or no? है ना? So that you people can read on your own and try to attend the question and answers. I'll be sharing the PDF soon, right? Okay, okay. Have a good day.